Masterlock makes it simple to rekey your M532 padlock to match your house key. This product is compatible with Masterlock and most quickset keys. You can rekey this padlock in seconds. All you need is the rekeying tool, padlock key, and your house key. Insert the key that opens the lock. Turn the key 90 degrees to open the lock and reveal the rekeying hole. Fully insert the rekeying tool in the rekeying hole. Do not insert it in the drain hole. A fully inserted rekeying tool will look like this. While holding the rekeying tool in place, remove the original key and insert the new key. If you cannot remove the original key, the rekeying tool is not fully inserted. Remove the rekeying tool. Now turn the key several times to ensure smooth operation. Now withdraw the key. The lock is successfully rekeyed to your house key. Store your house key code located on an original house key at masterlockvault.com. Masterlock. Tough under fire.